Beginning in January of 2020, I've made a slight modification to our pressure brake bleeder, and I want to show you that modification now and explain why I did it. It has to do right here with this short section of hose we've added, and the ease with which you can remove this cap from the main hose coming from the tank. Now, why would you want to remove this hose? Because we've come up with an addition or an add-on to the pressure tank that will allow you to do a coolant system pressure test, that right there. So when you receive the tank now, there'll be zip ties that'll secure this end and this end here, but it will allow you to remove this short section of Tygon hose to be able to adapt the new cap, or watch this, being able to remove the hose here and the cap from the main line will also make it easier to screw this on to the brake fluid reservoir. Watch as I remove this and how easy it is using the washer that's on the end of this coupling. Let me explain the purpose of the washer. If you try to pull on this Tygon hose to remove it from the coupling, it's going to be really hard to get off. But if you push or pull and wiggle on the washer and get it all the way down to the barb, then you can wiggle the hose and it comes right off like this. Now it's much easier to screw on to the master cylinder reservoir. Once you get that cap tight, then just take the end of this hose in the coupling and push it all the way and push it all the way on until that washer seats back against the center section of the coupling. That'll keep the hose from coming off. If in the future you should have any problem with this staying tight, you can just add a zip tie right on the back of that barb and that'll keep that permanently in place. If you purchase our accessory cap for cooling system pressure testing, you'll notice it also comes with a coupling and a washer. We provide this in case you're upgrading your old tank to this new system. If you have one of our newer tanks that already has the coupling and washer on it, you won't need this. So you can just remove this from the cooling system pressure test cap and then install it on the coupling that's already on the tank. So now you can see you can quickly change between caps